What up, YouTube? Faded Racing Columbus. This one so faded. You dig? And I'm finna get started painting on my car after I finish the preparation work, which takes so fucking long. So right now, I'm taping off the stripes. Don't mind the papers. Gotta improvise. I didn't have my other stuff, so after I tape off the stripes and tape off the windows and lights and stuff, then I'm gonna start getting painted. So let's get it. Just a quick update, you know what I'm saying? Taped off the freaking stripes, it took the longest. So next I gotta tape off these windows, the back window, and the mirrors and all that good stuff. So got a little heater in here because it's a little cold. So alright, I'll get back with y'all in a second. Bang bang. Alright guys, got it taped off as much as I wanted to. Damn, shit falling off, gotta fix that. But got it taped off pretty. Here's the gray, Performer Series gray. Finna mix it up in a second. I'll let you guys in when I get halfway through. Look at that right there, that looks beautiful. Look at the sparkle in it, y'all. Yeah, time to mix this baby up. That this special bag. Yeah. Gonna drop this blue in there real quick. 25 grams royal blue flakes. So I'm gonna drop this in there and mix it. Okay guys, it's coming along pretty good. I did my first coat, and I'm really digging the color now. Don't worry about the rounds I get repainted. But yes sir, it's coming along. Clean these rims up definitely. But yeah, here you go. Quick sneak peek of it. That's what it's gonna look like when it's in the sun. I can already see the flakes that I put in there up close. You can really see them in the tailpipe. But yep. It's coming along pretty good. Do another couple coats on this bad boy. And I gotta clean it up because it's freaking the fucking tape I had so freaking whack. It started to fly up, so I got messed everywhere. But yep, there you go. That's a quick sneak peek, guys, and I'll get back with you once I finish. What up, y'all? You feel me? I'm about to show y'all the 80% done finished project before I do the finishing touches on that thing. I gotta pull that thing out in the sun for y'all to see it later though. But you know what I'm saying? Gotta paint it a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Shout out Dip Your Car, you know, got my Team DYC shirt on. You can't tell it because it's backwards, but yeah. I got their sprayer, I got their paint, I got their gloss, you know what I'm saying? I got everything from them. You know what I'm saying? And they got the best paint out there. Taped off all that. You know what I'm saying? They got the best paint. You know what I'm saying? They got the best paint, man. It's smooth. Coverage is great. You know what I'm saying? It's my best. It's like my second time using it. Second time. That's my third time actually in it. I love their products. I always order plastic dip from DYC, baby. And then I'm about to finish doing everything to it. Finish painting it, throw that gloss on there. It's gonna be nice, you feel me? But I'll get back with y'all when I get done putting the gloss and stuff on it. So, lay that, baby. When the sun hit, it's gonna be crazy. Just wait. Yo, what up, y'all? So, day 2, and I finished the car. Actually, I didn't get it on camera because it got dark, and I was still trying to get that thing done. Me and my brother was, because I was at it all day from like 8 o'clock till 8 o'clock p.m. But the baby done, and I'm finna show y'all what it look like. Yeah, Faded Race Columbus, baby. Huh? Huh? Yeah. Yeah. Man, these niggas snitching on their own niggas. Man, these bitches fucking trying to get a mention. She just do it for the gram. These niggas broke, ain't got no bands. I can't call it. I can't call it. I can't call it. I don't know what's wrong with them. I can't call it. I can't call it. I can't call it. Man, somebody need to help. I can't call it. No service. I fucked his bitch. That's on purpose. She sucking. She slurping. Shorty wet. She squirting. Baby, why your niggas pockets hurting? I know, cause that nigga ain't working, so I know he worthless. I keep bands on me at all times, you know I'm splurging. She lied to me, dog, she is not a virgin. So I hit it once, then you know a nigga curving. I ball Julius Irving. You a little nigga, I know that you just a servant. I just killed this verse, nigga. Close curtains. Man, these niggas snitching on their own niggas. Man, these bitches fucking tryna get a mention. She just do it for the gram. These niggas broke, ain't got no bands. I can't call it. I can't call it. I can't call it. I don't know what's wrong with them. I can't call it. I can't call it. I can't call it. Man, somebody need to help.
Got my nigga Dizzy in here.
Faded racing for real.
We out here. I just brought some they sound in the cut. Yeah, Jill was with us, but he left. But
I thought that was G.
yeah, he was with us.
I seen the red top. I'm like, alright, got 3D. Let me cut out that.
Couple little shits out here.